Yo, what is up everybody, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can link your Twitter to Facebook. So it's pretty simple. So before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And before I start the video, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So to link your Twitter to your Facebook, first thing what you want to do is you need to know your username. So my username is Kevin Vici over here, at Kevin Vici. So after I remember that, basically I can go to my Facebook. After I go to my Facebook, I can click on this three line over here, and I can click on where it says see profile. Once I'm over here, I can scroll down and click on edit public details over here. Once you're over here, you can scroll all the way down where it says links, and you can click on edit on links. Once you're over here, what you want to do is click on add social link over here. Click on add social link. Select Twitter from over here. So let me select Twitter. After selecting Twitter, basically I need to enter my Twitter's username over here, which is, so after entering that, basically click on save at the bottom over here. Wait for some time. And as you guys can see, my Twitter account has also been linked, Kevin Vici. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in a bit.